Every day, millions of chocolate bars begin their journey inside factories like this, where technology and precision work together on an enormous scale. But before a single chocolate bar reaches store shelves, it must pass through a remarkable manufacturing process hidden behind these factory walls. The journey starts with cocoa beans arriving from around the world, delivered by trucks carrying the essential ingredient of every chocolate bar. These beans travel thousands of miles from tropical farming regions before finally reaching one of the most advanced chocolate factories on Earth. Once inside the facility, the beans are cleaned and sorted by automated systems designed to remove every unwanted particle. Before production begins, laboratory specialists carefully inspect each batch to ensure quality, safety, and consistency. After inspection, the beans move into giant roasting machines, where heat transforms their flavor and unlocks their rich aroma. The roasted beans are then cracked apart, separating the outer shells from the valuable cocoa nibs hidden inside. Next, those nibs enter powerful grinding machines that slowly convert them into a thick liquid known as chocolate liquor. As the grinding continues, the mixture becomes smoother and richer, preparing for the ingredients that will soon be added. Sugar, milk powder, and cocoa butter are measured with incredible precision before being blended into the chocolate mixture. Inside enormous industrial mixers, these ingredients combine to create the familiar taste enjoyed by millions of people worldwide. At this stage, the factory floor comes alive as countless machines work together to keep production moving around the clock. The chocolate now enters the conching process, one of the most important steps in achieving a smooth texture and balanced flavor. For hours, the chocolate is continuously mixed and refined, removing unwanted acidity while improving its overall quality. Meanwhile, engineers monitor every detail using sophisticated control systems that oversee the entire production process. Once refined, the chocolate is stored in temperature-controlled tanks that preserve its quality before the next stage begins. The mixture then enters tempering machines, where precise heating and cooling prepare it for molding. This critical process creates the crystal structure responsible for chocolate's glossy appearance and satisfying snap. Now the liquid chocolate is ready to be transformed, as automated systems fill hundreds of molds every minute. Special vibration equipment removes trapped air bubbles, ensuring each chocolate bar has a perfect finish. The filled molds continue their journey through massive cooling tunnels, where the chocolate gradually solidifies. Moments later, perfectly formed chocolate bars emerge from the cooling system, ready for inspection. Robotic arms quickly remove the bars from their molds with a level of speed and precision impossible by hand. Advanced camera systems examine every chocolate bar, searching for even the smallest imperfections. Any defective product is automatically removed, while only the highest quality bars continue forward. Next comes packaging, where thousands of chocolate bars are wrapped and sealed every single hour. High-speed machinery folds, seals, and labels each package with remarkable efficiency and accuracy. The finished products are then organized into cartons by automated robotic systems working in perfect synchronization. Across the packaging hall, countless conveyors and machines operate continuously to meet global demand. Throughout production, strict hygiene standards and final quality checks help ensure consumer safety. Once approved, the packaged chocolate is transported into automated warehouses for storage and distribution. These massive facilities can hold thousands of pallets, ready to supply retailers across entire countries. From the warehouse, forklifts load the products onto trucks that will begin the next stage of the journey. Soon, fleets of delivery vehicles leave the factory, carrying millions of chocolate bars to stores around the world. From humble cocoa beans to finished chocolate bars, this incredible process showcases the power of modern manufacturing. Thanks for joining us on this journey inside the modern chocolate factory. Don't forget to subscribe to NextEra Manufacturing for more amazing factory tours.